Hey there, this is NMPN and today I have the Fantech Scout MH81 gaming headset. Let's take it out of the box and review it. Inside the box, you will have the headset, a user manual and a audio and mic splitter. The headphone is very light and the ear cups rotate. And by the way, the MH81 is an over-the-ear headphone. From the outside, the MH81 looks as if it has RGB lighting, but the fact is it does not. So let's look at the pros and cons. Pro: compatible with both your smartphone and PC, over-the-ear design, and very lightweight. Con: it does not have braided cables and there is no RGB. With this, I would definitely recommend the Scout MH81 if you're looking for a gaming headset. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.